Are you ready, Scotland?
Yes.
Are you ready, Glasgow?
Yes.
I was wearing You're looking good. In 1944, I landed on the Liverpool shores. Me Paddy was on TV and we're all working on the railways. Oh, we worry of the Paddy works on the railway. Hello everybody up there in the seats. How you doing? You looking good? We'd like to see everybody standing up and dancing to this one. And if you see anybody stood next to you not dancing, what is wrong with them? Are you ready? Are you ready? I was wearing In 1947, our Paddy was thinking of going to heaven. The old bugger was thinking of going to heaven to work upon the railways. I'm weary of the railways. Poor Paddy works on the railways. This one's for me singing Shane MacGowan. Are you ready? It's your last chance to dance, Dean Solid, everybody here. I was with